guys. Okay, so I just thought I'd do a super quick vlog for you guys. I'm just about to go and pick up Harry from school. I will insert some footage actually from when I got my jacuzzi. I go in it like literally every day. Why does it look like I've got like a huge bump on my head? This is the way I was born. My eyebrows, I got them tattooed the other day. I also got my daith pierced, again, if you can see. So the tattoo looks really, really dark at the moment, but I promise you it gets a lot lighter. It's just like when you get a tattoo on any other part of your body, it's the excess ink, and then when that like peels off with like the top layer of your skin or whatever, it then comes through a lovely, lighter, blondie, sort of like a dark blonde, light brown. They should be coming from this direction. God, look at how blue the sky is today. That's stunning. Here they are! Yay! Whoa! What is it? Hi, Poppy. Hi, Lily. Stiff. Why aren't you helping? I need help, Charlie. Charlie, help me. Sound like an old woman. Good helping. You're taking all of the grit out of the garden. Now put it back. Okay, I'm absolutely exhausted, but I've now got those 3 things connected, thank God. And we're all ready for water now.